Looking to transform your outdoor space into something sleek, safe, and stunning? Frameless glass fencing isn't just beautiful, it's built to last. Designed for safety, seamless views, and effortless style. With 12mm toughened glass and premium quality hardware fittings, our fences are engineered for families, offering safety and peace of mind. At Shoreline Glass Fencing, we're the local experts, a family-run business proud to deliver flawless installations across Port Macquarie and the Mid-North Coast. We're not just trusted, we're recognised. Finalists in the Port Macquarie Business Awards and featured in the Focus magazine, we're backed by over 2 decades of hands-on experience. As fully qualified second-generation glaziers, glass is in our blood and perfection is in every panel we install. Find out why Shoreline is famous for its frameless. At Shoreline Glass Fencing, we deliver peace of mind with glass solutions that are as safe as they are stunning. Enjoy the kind of backyard that brings people together. You can find more information at www.shorelineglassfencing.com.au or please like and subscribe.